Yeah, this isn't in my workshop, sorry. We're on a little road trip up to North Charleston, South Carolina to a model show on October the 2nd. And we've stopped at an antique shop. My other, wife and other daughter's inside already, but I thought I'd show you guys something. We're gonna go inside and hunt for maybe some model cars. You never know what you can find at an antique shop, so come along with us. Ladies first.
Just past Clough Park.
I saw the picture of the curve.
Just past Clough Park on the right. Down a little ways.
So, when I'm in an antique shop, I just scan everything. If I see something with a, okay, right there, see that hood? See that NASCAR hood? You know you're getting close to something. So you just look for evidence of toys, because we're all just big kids. I tell Ruthie and Ellie, I say, what are we here for? We're here for model kits. So guys, I've already kind of cased this place out, and I found some, and I wanted to show everybody. So back nestled up in this corner here, at first I saw these, the Dale Earnhardt cars displayed, and I said, gotta be close. Then I looked down, and then there they were. And there it was. So they have, and the prices are actually really good. Look at this. 1/24th monogram Dale Earnhardt kit from 1991, I believe it was. It's complete. It's all there. It's only 10 bucks. It doesn't have the cellophane, but I opened it up and it looks great. And then next to it was old Darrell Waltrip. This thing's really heavy. 10 bucks. You can't beat that. You can't, there's no shipping. I'm here. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then they had several snap tight kits here. So, oh, and then there's this stock car, let's see, must be Davey Allison or somebody like that. Yeah, Davey Allison. This one looks like it's got some water damage. Definitely wouldn't go for that one. But, very, very cool. You got to keep your eye open when you're at these places. And also, when I was looking around, I noticed, and I know this isn't a car, but there's an A10 kit down here. 25 bucks. It's all complete. I'm not an airplane guy, but if I was, I'd buy it. Alright, so I'm gonna keep on looking. Be right back. Alright, so, oh, sorry, there's my wife. Here's a few others that I saw. Don't know much about these, but maybe you guys could help me. Oh, there's another one I didn't even notice. Okay, so these I found are Revell Pro Finish kits. They're already painted. It comes, the rest of the kit is included. You have to build the chassis and everything and paint, but the body comes painted. $12. I don't think you could find it that cheap anywhere else. The hood opens, and the rest of these are just die cast. But then there was this other one down here. It was John Andretti, which is really cool because John Andretti passed away just recently, and it's the 43 John Andretti Cheerios. And I opened it up and everything's in there. I've not seen these kits before, but again, just for $12, it'd be neat to have it up on the shelf. Keep your eyes open when you're at these, when you're in these. Oh, and here's another kit of some sort, but I don't know if it's got a body. Elliott Sadler, but it's die cast. I can feel that the internal parts are die cast. But when you're in these antique shops, keep your eye open. You never know what you might find. Alright, so my spider senses led me right over to here. Check this out. 67 Corvette, monogram 67 Corvette, 427. 1995. I opened it up though, and it's a glue bomb. But some of you guys like to work with glue bombs. You like to take those kits and redo them, but this one had been started. The body's all glued together, and a few things. It's not painted, so it would be easy to strip. They don't have a price on this one, but more than likely it's around $10. So again, guys, keep your eyes open. Antique shops are loaded with stuff like this that we may just walk right by. So I end up getting 3 rather than just the 1. They made me a really good deal, so I encourage you guys to stop by these antique shops. You never know what you're going to find.
Okay.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
See you later.
Y'all take care. Safe travel.
So guys, if you're over heading to Charleston any day, check out Farmhouse Antiques. I got 3 model kits. On to the next one.